AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about AUD against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. Do all of that. These buttons are for you. So join and subscribe, it's all free. And then below the video you'll find some links. It says swing like a pro. So click on that link, then come to this page right here where you can check out these recent setups. You can play all these videos. These are short 2 minutes videos, I guess. Go and watch them. How do I take these trades? And then you can join this program if you want to enter and exit with me. Okay. And then you can book consultation if you want to speak to me one-to-one, and you can always join my free telegram. So go and do all of that. Coming back with the chart. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMI. Daily we are above the EMI. 4 hour we are above the EMI. So price in all time frames is above the EMI. Look for longs after each pullback. Okay. 4 hour, daily, weekly, everything is above the EMI. Look for longs after the pullback, not right now. Pullback, then long in 4 hour as per the definition. Okay. But analysis is not same as entry. So analysis is fine. Everybody knows AUDUSD is in the uptrend, so look for longs. Everybody knows that. But secret is entry and exit. Okay. So analysis is one thing, entry and exit is another thing. If you want to enter and exit with me precisely, join this program, subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.